Yo, 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 High Ridge Handyman's in the house with my boy Sonny. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, quick one. I got to replace some shutoff valves on a sink located in a basement. This is an old sink. It's an oldie but goodie. Couldn't replace the sink, and when you see it, you'll understand. It's very tiny. It was built in this house many years ago, but the customer is looking to get this thing in working condition. It took a little while to find some faucets that would fit, and when you see the setup, you'll understand. We actually located them on Amazon. Haven't seen them yet. Only saw pictures of them, and they were kind of cheap. So we're gonna see what they're made out of, if they're durable at all. But I'm heading over to do 2 shutoff valves and a couple of faucets. Shouldn't take that long to complete. I'll be at the job in a few minutes or so. We'll see you soon. All right, we're at the location. On my way here, I got to bring this up. I had a car or a truck tailgating the shit out of me. What's wrong with you people out there? If somebody's looking for a driveway, you can tell he's looking, you slow down. I don't know why you got to ride people's asses all the time. I wanted to put it in reverse and smash the shit out of them. All right, let me calm down. Take a deep breath. I got to get in here and fix these valves in this faucet. All right, I'm here. All right, clean it up. Then we got another one here. All right, and then, I see what we got. I don't know if they're gonna work. I might have to get the other ones, and then this is it. Yeah, this will be cleaned out. Everything's gonna be cleaned out, but this has been mounted. It's old. It's gotta stay here. Like we found on Amazon, because these faucets are so tight. And these guys here, made for RVs. So we'll give it a shot. All right, so I took off the old ones here. All right. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this valve out using this little rigid pipe cutter. I'm gonna cut it around here. All right, so I put this one on here. It's done. And then I have here, you want to put pipe tape on the fitting here before you hook the supply line up. All right, so that valve was fine. We're not going to change it because you start messing with that pipe, it's not leaking. You'll have to replace it all. It'll cost her more. Replace the other valve. Check for leaks. It looks good. Okay, nothing's leaking. All right, then we got the faucets here. So these are usually for RVs. There you go. All right. Turn it off. I got the toilet behind me, which is filling up. The drain doesn't look like it's leaking. It looks okay. They're just gonna have to clean this up with some lime away and stuff like that. But we're good to go. When you're finished, you always check for leaks. I like to sit here for about 5 minutes. Everything's dry. Okay. That's it. We're off to the next one. So remember, it's not the prettiest, but it's here. It's working. They're going to clean it, and we're good to go. Remember, share, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Handyman work isn't always pretty, guys. This is a perfect example. All right? We'll talk to you soon.